and thank you all for joining us today for our discussion on lopsided opportunities in real estate and economic development. We have an incredible panel that includes some of the foremost investors, developers, and policymakers in Philadelphia. This is the fourth in our speaker series on investable growth, bringing together executives, entrepreneurs, and investors to discuss market disruption, their firsthand experiences leading businesses, and opportunities to put capital to work. The series is brought to you by TiE Philadelphia, and with me is Doc Argy, president of TiE Philly and partner at SRI Capital, to say a few words. Doc?
Thanks, Himesh, and thanks to all the attendees, and certainly thanks to our speakers. Look forward to what's sure to be a provocative topic, especially given today's environment. So I just want to talk a little bit about TiE. So TiE was founded in 1992 in Silicon Valley by a group of successful entrepreneurs, corporate executives, and senior professionals. And over the last close to 30 years of its existence, TiE chapters around the world have become a vibrant platform for entrepreneurs, professionals, industry leaders, investors to interact with one another and really foster long-lasting relationships. So really, when you think of TiE, it connects the entire entrepreneurship ecosystem, from early-stage entrepreneurs, serial entrepreneurs, professionals at leading corporations, venture capital, angels, thought leaders in academia, among others. So currently there are 61 chapters across 14 countries. And again, TiE's mission is to foster entrepreneurship globally through mentoring, networking, and education. And it's dedicated to the virtuous cycle of wealth creation and giving back to the community. And TiE's focus is really on generating and nurturing kind of our next generation of entrepreneurs. The backbone of each chapter are its charter members, or CMs as we like to call them. They are successful, high-profile entrepreneurs, corporate leaders, thought leaders who've reached a stage in their professional life where they are ready, willing, and able to contribute to fellow members. The TiE CMs are dedicated to the mission of TiE, and again, the cycle of wealth creation, engaging, and giving back. And obviously, they believe in the merits of capitalism and have a strong desire to help entrepreneurs in the community. So in our Philadelphia chapter, if you look at our website and our list of CMs, you'll see it really is a bit of a who's who of the local community and kind of the entrepreneurship ecosystem. In fact, Richard and Himesh are founding charter members. So that's all I wanted to say a little bit about TiE, and I'm going to kick it back to Himesh, and we can start our programming. And thank you once again for attending.
Thank you, Doc. The real estate markets have been impacted by factors such as rising inflation, hybrid work, shifting urbanization patterns, shifting shopping patterns, shifting eating out patterns, and growing e-commerce. Asset values in the face of economic communities everywhere seems to be changing, perhaps in a pretty fundamentally lasting manner, making some real estate assets obsolete or permanently different and impacted. Are mixed-use assets now more valuable? What is the future of city dwellers and dwelling? How can Philadelphia get some of that Sunbelt style love? And ultimately, where should investors put capital? To discuss this disruption and to discuss opportunities arising from this disruption, I have an amazing group of people with me today. Richard Vague is the Secretary of Banking and Securities for the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. He is the author of 4 books, the latest being The Case for a Debt Jubilee, which offers policy recommendations for new forms of consumer debt relief. Bill Glazer is CEO of Keystone Property Group, that he founded in 1991. He has invested in and developed over 12 million square feet of real estate and billions of dollars of transactions. Ed Glickman is executive chairman of AIP Asset Management, a global financial services company with over $4 billion of assets under management. Thank you all for joining and welcome.